deep beneath the soil, an unimaginable tension is building. A silent, grinding accumulation of energy locked inside the crust that is only a matter of time away from violent release. Yet, just miles above this geological pressure cooker, millions go about their evening routines, entirely blind to the fragile peace holding their cities together. When that tension finally snaps, the sanctuary of your living room instantly becomes a gauntlet of crushing weight, shattering glass, and unrestrained furniture tearing free. Outside, the violence scales up rapidly as the earth itself violently rolls and heaves like a liquid ocean. This buckles critical transit routes, severing the essential lifelines we rely on every single day. Entire communities that ignored the reality of their terrain are left entirely paralyzed, trapped in the sudden, isolating chaos of a world violently rearranged. But that chaos does not have to dictate your outcome, provided you meet the panic of the moment with practiced, reflexive action. Securing the internal architecture of your living space requires specific, calculated steps to ensure your surroundings remain stable when the floor begins to surge. You stage your essential resources and critical lifelines exactly where they need to be to deploy in seconds. Methodical preparation provides the one thing panic cannot: a clear, actionable advantage for the people who matter most. When the shaking stops, the clock immediately starts on a new set of lethal, invisible threats hidden within the infrastructure of the house. Navigating those first few hours requires knowing exactly how the specific soil, slopes, and hidden geological hazards surrounding your address will react. The fault lines are waiting. A wrong instinct can be fatal. Survival is a deliberate choice. Equip yourself with Earthquake Survival in California, a comprehensive 120-page visual roadmap that leaves zero room for guesswork when disaster strikes. Secure the complete guide right now to close the gap in your preparation and ensure your family is ready to weather the inevitable.